and this is the HTML that you see on the screen, which helps the browser to interpret and show this as an image or the text box or the button to the user. So I don't have to see all this code which I'm not able to understand. Probably the browser is doing the interpretation for me to understand or for me to use this particular website. So let's stop talking now. Probably we'll just start with some hands-on. Yeah. So as I said earlier, I need only one software, Notepad. So let's start creating something on HTML. So HTML follows a certain pattern, or each HTML page should have a specific structure that has to be followed such that the browser will be able to understand that this is a HTML language, hypertext markup language, which has to be interpreted and to be displayed to the user. So to make the browser to understand that, we HTML has defined a structure that has to be followed in all the HTML page. I am going to create a HTML page now, a very basic one, and I'll just explain what are tags and attributes and elements, etc. So first thing I will do is I'll just open a angular bracket, I'll just say HTML and close it. So this particular word altogether along with the bracket is known as a tag in HTML. So any tag, this is considered as an open tag, and any tag that is created should be accompanied with a close tag. So close tag should be written like this: angular bracket / and then the tag name, and then again you will close that particular bracket. This is the universal syntax that you will follow, or you have to follow, for all the HTML tags. So as soon as the browser tries to interpret the HTML document, it will just look for this particular tag for the first line, and then try to consume everything under or between these tags. So now we have written this tag, and this tag doesn't say anything or doesn't show anything to the user. So how can we create a HTML page which will show some data to the user, or say show some text to the user? For that, we have to create two more tags: head or section, I would say, head and body. As you see, as and when I create a tag, I'm just trying to close it also, because imagine as you create your website and the tags grow beyond your control. If you just try to open, and probably you will, in case if you forget to close that particular tag, it could lead to some issues, or probably your page will not work as expected. So it is always a best practice to close the particular tag whenever you open a new tag. Yeah. So this is the structure. So the outer tag should be HTML. Within HTML, it should have head and body, which seems logical, isn't it? It has a header section as well as the body section. So what will come inside the head section? Head section could have multiple things. Say for example, I want to display a title for my page. Or before going to this, I'll just try to save this. First, HTML HTML. I'll just save it. Now this is in my desktop. I'll just try to open it. You see that it is there is a blank page in front of me. It is because I'm not given or not specified any data to be displayed